I will talk Russian now.
What is this and how am I doing this?
That is some a bit alcohol.
Just what? Just water. Just colored water.
Oh, coloured water.
Yeah.
Colored water, yeah. The key is you have to drink all of it
Yes.
because it has to be in the right portions to work right way.
Okay, yeah.
And when you're drinking, the very important is to breathe out. Yeah. When you breathe out, then you smell bread, and you taste bread. So that is the way to taste solid, nice drinks.
Okay, here we go then.
Are you ready, John?
I'm ready. Ready?
All
Yeah.
all
Breathe out, smell. No, you need to smell it.
You have to now repeat. Now repeat. Really good. Really good. Now you have to repeat. I will talk Russian now.